Let's hold her to that. Please welcome Donna Hay. Thanks for dropping by, and congratulations on the show, Donna Hay Christmas. So this is like 4 episodes, because Christmas, I gather, is so complicated and so difficult that you can't do it in one...
Yeah, it's so tough.
Why is it so hard?
Well, there's a couple of things about Christmas. I mean, there's not just the family pressure. There's also, we cook things that we never cook. We just cook them once a year and we think we're going to ace it every time. Right. But, you know, it's not like you pull out a glazed ham on a Thursday night.
Well, speak for yourself, Donna, please.
Sorry,
I think she's definitely speaking for me.
Do you have a man or a bag to hold your baguette?
I think I'd rather a man than a bag for my baguette. I'd like a little man running next to me. Baguette, Miss Donna.
Whenever Christmas is at our house, my wife loves the idea of doing a more modern Australia kind of menu and tweaking the old favourites, where my family are like, yeah, that's well good and well, but make sure there's all the meats and all the puddings and all the dessert. So who's in the right there?
Well, that sounds actually like we're living in the same family. So...
Well, if you can come over quickly...
Yeah, look, I'm happy to come over and do it all for you. I mean, it's a tough one, isn't it? Doing the whole modern and traditional at the same time. Yeah. I think you just have to choose a few things and do them well.
Right.
Otherwise, you know what happens.
Well, yeah, there's fights and Uncle Kevin gets sent home.
Somebody's vagina candle explodes. Now, there's some amazing recipes in this book, but do you have one that you're like, this is the one I whip out all the time because it's an absolute crowd pleaser?
Well, I do. I am known for a bit of a show-stopping dessert. So I have been in the...
Oh, that's a look of somebody who's bringing someone on.
Here's what I made earlier.
Look
wow.
This is I'm going to be honest and say this is divisive, because if that's trifle, I'm not usually into trifle. Is that trifle?
Carrie, I can talk you around on a trifle.
But that looks like meringue.
Yeah, well, there's no layer of fake jelly here.
Yeah, great.
Because
liqueur?
you don't need that.
I don't want the liqueur.
No. Sometimes I make it with a bit of a gin and tonic syrup.
Oh, I'm down
that's
for that.
usually for Uncle Kevin.
Only one serve, Uncle Kevin.
Is that then a trifle if it's actually just a meringue with cake on the bottom?
Yes, it's layers, Carrie.
Wow,
Carrie, why are you trying to take down Donna Hay?
Talk about a grilling.
This is interrogation trifle.
Wow.
No, it's
layers.
I just don't feel like that's actually a traditional trifle.
All right, mate. It's Donna Hay. She brought on a bloody trifle.
Donna, don't worry, she's leaving soon.
Now, we heard that this is actually gluten-free and halal.
Yes.
I have another problem in that I'm dairy-free too, right?
Mate, you just aren't invited.
I get it. I know, I get this all the time. But when people like me come to your place for dinner, are you like, could you please leave?
No, I take it as a challenge. I would have tried to make yours with coconut cream.
Oh, thank you. Well, I need to pass this down.
And I would have gone at you like Harry did.
No, you don't get to...
I want to taste some of the lemon
really
meringue pie is what I want to taste.
You don't deserve any, Carrie.
Harry Bickmore, it doesn't have to be traditional. I didn't think you were like this.
No, she's not.
What a Puritan.
This was lemon meringue pie. I can't believe you were doing a political interview with Donna Hay.
The Prime Minister's coming up.
Absolutely
I thought I saw him in the corridors near the
It's
Channel 10
amazing.
kitchen. He wasn't that picky.
Okay, to be honest, you can judge some of Carrie's creations, actually. These are some of Carrie's cakes.
Oh, look at my little penguins.
I mean, what do you...
Oh, what are they? Sorry, Carrie.
Okay, show it at my camera one. Nothing beats this, Donna Hay. Not that one.
That's the worst camera I've ever seen in my life.
Which one's cake, Donna?
Oh, gee.
That's pretty spectacular.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So you made the cake yourself and then...
Nah.
That's pretty good.
Store-bought.
I'm a decorator, not a maker.
It didn't taste like a camera, did it?
Didn't it?
No.
No, but this meringue is
I guess
delicious.
the secret's out.
It's amazing.
This is actually
amazing.
incredible.
Bickmore
It's actually
Bakery is the
amazing.
new career.
It's amazing.
Can I say this is the first time I reckon I've ever had trifle?
Is it?
Because I am not
Because
white.
it's not trifle.
But it's magnificent. So thank you.
so
You've
yum.
converted me. You can watch Donna Hay Christmas exclusively on Disney+. Well, Carrie won't be, but you can.
I will.
From today.
I wanted
Would
to
you
say
please
it's
thank the wonderful Donna Hay?